Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are traveling from Jodhpur to Jaisalmer. It's located in the heart of the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. It's also known as the Golden City for its stunning yellow sandstone architecture. It is around 290 kilometers from Jodhpur to Jaisalmer. As we are approaching Jaisalmer, the changing scenery keeps the drive interesting and the open road is very relaxing.
एकदम प्लेन नजर दौड़ा मतलब जैसे जमीन पे आसमान दिखे हो। परमाणु परीक्षण जो इंडिया ने किया था, पोखरण वाला परमाणु परीक्षण, वो खेतोलाई गांव से जस्ट 2 किलोमीटर आगे पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर शुरू हो जाता है। और इस
Jaisalmer is close to India-Pakistan border and we could see lot of army trucks on the road, and that's probably because it requires regular movement of troops and supplies and equipments. Finally, we could reach at our hotel in Jaisalmer and this is the view. Not sure if you can see it or not, but on the top at the back side, that's the sonar fort. So this is one of the room where we are staying in. So this is next day and we could get our early morning tea and coffee from the hotel itself.
ये है मम्मी चाय का लुत्फ उठा रही है। सुबह सुबह सनराइज हो रहा है इधर। हो भी रहा है क्या? हो तो रहा है। सनराइज हमारी ये
Outside the view is stunning. Let me show you. In the night view, we couldn't see the sonar fort in the video. In the morning, it's looking so beautiful. You can see it from here.
कुछ बोल। ये ठीक था, ये बोलना ठीक।
After chilling a little bit in the morning, we got ready and went for the breakfast. And from there, we headed towards Gadisar Lake.
की वीडियो बनाना चालू करी, टॉपिक पर बाउंड्री हटा दी, कैप वगैरह सब।
Now let's head to Gadisar Lake. This is a man-made reservoir built by Maharaja Gardsi Singh in 14th century. This serene lake is surrounded by temples, ghats and beautiful chhatris. It's a perfect spot for some relaxation.
हम जैसलमेर में गए हैं
और
आपको लेके।
अच्छा अच्छा
जिले में गए नहीं।
I just love Gadisar Lake. I mean, we had non-stop fun there. Here comes Jaisalmer Fort, also known as the Sonar Killa. It was built in 1156 by Rawal Jaswal. This fort is one of the largest in the world and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So let's head inside. Each corner of this fort tells a story of its own, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of Jaisalmer. So just make sure you take your time and soak in all the details. This fort is like a living museum with narrow lanes, beautiful havelis, vibrant marketplaces, and yes, don't miss the intricate carving and the breathtaking views of the city from the top. It's truly a photographer's paradise. So there are more than 5,000 people who have homes here. They live in the fort. Sonar Fort is really big, and after roaming around so much, we all were really tired. So we decided to have our dinner and take some rest. So this is where we stayed on second day. Next day early morning, we arrived at Bada Bagh. This historic site is renowned for its impressive cenotafs for Chhatris, built to honor the royal family of Jaisalmer. Just look at these intricate carvings. The craftsmanship is phenomenal, showcasing detailed sculptures and patterns that reflect the skill of artisans from the centuries ago. I would say Bada Bagh is the place that captivates visitors with its charm and elegance. We were lucky enough to catch the sunrise. The golden hue of the desert light up these cenotaphs, creating a magical and picturesque view that's absolutely worth witnessing. Bada Bagh provides insights into the history and lineage of the Jaisalmer rulers, offering a glimpse into the past glory and traditions. These cenotaphs are not just memorials, but also a historical and cultural landmarks that preserve the legacy of Jaisalmer royalty. So after checking out Bada Bagh, we decided to go to Patwa Ki Haveli. However, it was closed and we couldn't go inside. So we just did some photography outside and enjoyed it. And after that, we headed towards sand dunes. If you are finding this video really helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this.